Your homeowner's insurance covers flood, right? Wrong. And here's why that matters. Most people assume that their homeowner's insurance covers flood. But the reality is most homeowners insurance policies have exclusions. And the most common exclusion, the one in almost every homeowner's insurance policy I've ever seen, is flood. In fact, it's really rare to have flood insurance from your homeowners. And that's usually for really, really high asset individuals. So you have to get a flood policy. These are policies that are usually backed by the federal government under the NFIP, the National Flood Insurance Program. The problem with that is most people don't get those unless their mortgage company tells them they need to get them. But I'm telling you, if you live anywhere where it's even potentially possible that you're gonna get a flood, you should really consider doing that, because otherwise, if there is a flood, you will be replacing your entire home out of pocket. That means another mortgage, another loan, or draining your entire savings to rebuild your life if you don't have flood insurance. Flood is terrible, but flood is absolutely excluded in the vast majority of homeowners insurance policies. And it gets worse. Because insurance companies know that it's excluded, there's this game they love to play after hurricanes or big storms called flood versus wind. They will go out and they will say, nope, we're not paying for any of this because it's all actually flood damage, even if your home didn't flood. We saw this all the time. This actually started with Hurricane Katrina, and it's happened every major storm since, that insurance companies have come out and claimed it was flood damage instead of wind so they could save money. If you look at Hurricane Sandy up on the Northeast, people actually got indicted over this and taken out in handcuffs because there were people falsifying reports claiming it was flood damage, even though it was actually wind damage. And despite that, those companies that did that are still in business, and some of them insure you or adjust your claims today. So because that's still going on, you need to make sure you have flood insurance. And then if you have a flood versus wind issue, you have to make sure someone's looking out for you to make sure you're treated fairly. Want to learn more? Subscribe for weekly claim tips or go to insuranceclaimhq.com. Protect yourself. If you're having a problem, call us now.